Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Windows version and saving work. This prevents lost changes while tweaking UI. Once done, close full screen apps so the taskbar can move freely. Right-click the taskbar now and note whether lock is checked. If locked, you cannot drag it. Make sure to open settings quickly. Press Win+I or right-click the taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. This gets you straight into the controls you will change next. You will now move or hide the bar. First, unlock the taskbar and drag it gently to the top, left, or right edge. This repositions it instantly. Alternatively, open Taskbar Settings and under Taskbar Behaviors choose Alignment or Enable Automatically Hide the Taskbar. This keeps it off screen until you hover. Make sure to test hover timing. Move the cursor to the edge and wait 1 to 2 seconds. If it reappears too slowly or not at all, you'll change the next set of options. You finish by confirming the new position and behavior, then locking the taskbar if desired. If it won't move or hide, open Task Manager, restart Windows Explorer, and try again. This refreshes the shell. For multiple displays, make sure you set per monitor taskbar options or limit it to the primary monitor. If problems persist, update Windows and graphics drivers. This fixes driver-related redraw or focus bugs. One key tip: restarting Explorer usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.